Iraq's financial landscape, major developments and the future of the Iraqi dinar. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some important updates on Iraq's economic and financial situation that you won't want to miss. If you've been following the latest news on the Iraqi dinar, this discussion will give you fresh insights into what's happening. So, let's dive right in. Sanctions on Rafidain Bank, a growing concern. Recently, the Parliamentary Finance Committee has been discussing possible sanctions against Rafidain Bank, a move that has raised concerns in the financial sector. Like other private banks, Rafidain operates under the supervision of the U.S. Treasury Department, following agreements with the Central Bank of Iraq, CBY, and an international monitoring organization. However, discussions suggest that the bank is at risk of penalties if it fails to comply with required financial regulations. If these sanctions go into effect, the consequences could extend beyond Rafidain to other private banks across Iraq. This development has led to growing speculation about Iraq's financial stability and the broader implications for the country's banking sector. U.S. representative calls for action. Adding to the tension, U.S. Republican Representative Joy Wilson has recently called for sanctions on Rafidain Bank, citing financial mismanagement and regulatory concerns. Some analysts believe that the way Rafidain and other banks are currently operating could pose serious risks to Iraq's financial system. This is a critical issue that we will continue to monitor closely. Modernizing Iraq's banking system. Despite these challenges, Iraq's financial sector is evolving. The country is making significant progress toward a more digital and secure banking system. Rafidain Bank has seen record-breaking improvements in digital payment processing, and 2024 has been a milestone year for electronic settlements in Iraq. Interestingly, in a surprising move on January 13, 2025, Representative Joy Wilson lifted his previous hold on Iraq's financial sector. His decision suggests a belief in the potential of Iraq's banking reforms. This shift has prompted further discussions about Iraq's ability to improve its financial infrastructure and attract global investment. Iraqi dinar and the global market. Now, let's talk about the Iraqi dinar, IQD. Many in the currency community are watching closely for any signs of appreciation. A key factor that could influence the dinar's value is Iraq's oil exports. If Iraq increases oil flow to Turkey, we could see a shift in the exchange rate, as oil revenues directly impact the country's economy. Additionally, there is speculation that Article 12C might play a crucial role in determining the future value of the IQD. If these financial mechanisms align favorably, Iraq's currency could experience a significant boost in value. Iraq's digital economy and foreign reserves. Iraq is also making strides in the digital currency space. The Central Bank of Iraq is working toward launching the digital dinar, a major policy shift that could impact both local and international financial transactions. The introduction of a digital currency is seen as a way to enhance transparency, efficiency, and economic stability. Although Iraq's foreign reserves have declined slightly, the country remains a strong player in the global oil market, ensuring a degree of economic stability. The CBI maintains a solid reserve base, with a balance of foreign currency and gold investments, which helps cushion against economic downturns. This financial stability is essential for attracting both local and international investors. Why the IQD could gain value. One of the most exciting possibilities is the potential use of the Iraqi dinar in international trade. If Iraq begins requiring payments for its shipping and port services in Iraqi dinars rather than US dollars, demand for the currency will increase. This move could strengthen Iraq's financial independence and reduce its reliance on foreign currencies. Additionally, Iraq's economy is growing, with new infrastructure projects and job creation driving expansion. A stronger economy often leads to a more valuable currency, making the IQD an interesting prospect for investors. Iraq's transition to digital banking. The Iraqi government has already achieved significant milestones in electronic payments. Rafidain Bank recently reported a record-breaking 6.06 trillion Iraqi dinars in digital transactions for 2024, marking a major step forward in the country's transition toward a modern financial system. With over 1,800 government entities now integrated into Iraq's digital payment infrastructure, cash transactions are becoming less dominant. This shift improves financial transparency, reduces corruption, and enhances efficiency, all of which are positive signs for Iraq's economic future.